Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you. Please check your connection and try again. Support code C14B problem. Follow my all step. At first, you go your Google Play Store. Now search Snapchat. Check your update. Already updated. Now go back. Now click tap hold Snapchat. Now scroll down. Now click storage, clear cache and clear data. And all permission. Allow all permission. Now go back. Now click aeroplane mode off. Your internet connection check. Aeroplane mode on. Now play, open Snapchat and hopefully your problem solved. Thank you.